All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, the using that credit card for BlockFi credit card, get rewards back in Bitcoin, get 1% back on Drip Network, on your ROI, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency Tectonic. This cryptocurrency is up gigantic in the last 7 days. We're going to cover that. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter, seeing what's going on. Also, it's listed on crypto.com. Fantastic. Oh, crypto.com is going to be doing advertisements in the Super Bowl, so that's fantastic. Did you guys hear that FTX is giving away Bitcoin on Sunday? 1 million to 1.5 million. All your crypto fans, make sure you pay attention to the Super Bowl. There's going to be people winning Bitcoins and stuff. All right, and then also, we're going to talk about a billion-year-old black diamond that was bought with cryptocurrency. I think it's $4.3 million of cryptocurrency bought this black diamond. So all kinds of good stuff on this show. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency or win it on the Super Bowl with the FTX. All right, let's head over to Tectonic. All right, holy cow. Look at this, Tectonic up 76% in the last 7 days. That is absolutely gigantic. Now it's down 7% today. But when you're up 77%, you don't even care about the 7%. Clicking it, down 7%, but again, it's up 77%. Taking a look at this, take a look in the 7 days here. Yeah, in the last, here's this little mild 7% decrease, but here's the 77% increase. The 77 beats the 7% decline. But yeah, this cryptocurrency is up amazing, 77% in the last 7 days. Fantastic. All right, we'll do a price prediction. We're done. Tectonic, a tectonic shift in lending and borrowing. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and accessing instant-backed loans. Big thing that people are looking for. Generate passive yield on your assets. Crypto assets deposited into Tectonic earn attractive APYs based on dynamic rates according to the market demands. Earnings are available immediately with no lockup. That's big, everybody. No lockup. Start saving today. Instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock your liquidity by idle crypto assets in Tectonic. I mean, let's say you're sitting on 10,000 of crypto and it's just sitting there. You might as well put it in this and unlock the liquidity and use it as an asset. That's what you can do. Instead of it's just sitting there, you can actually use your crypto for things. You click Start Borrowing, and it's going to take you to all the different markets where you can jump into, all the different pools that you can jump into. It talks about your supply APY. It talks about your borrow APY. So everything you need to know is kind of like right here, and you kind of pick which one you want to do. All right, keep your funds safe is our top priority. They do a couple big things. They got audited smart contracts. Our smart contracts have been audited by Leaning Blockchain Security. Audited. Slowmiss. Fantastic. Insurance fund is coming. Open source. And open source are among the funding principles of DeFi, which Tectonic is proudly committed to. Going over here to the Twitter account. Yep, you can get Tectonic today on crypto.com. Says crypto.com on January 28th, so it's not even quite 2 weeks. You can get Tectonic up to 3% PA, and Beefy Finance is also on here to start depositing today. Beefy Finance and Tectonic Finance earn up to 3% on crypto.com. Says the ape board, Tectonic is supported on apeboard.finance. You can now monitor your deposits and borrow position right here on the ape board. Yep, it is now supported on the ape board. Tectonic, another great freaking thing. Thought this was big. Crystal Finance, look at this. You're comboing your crypto, your CRO with your Tectonic, and you got your Crystal Finance. Deposit maximize passive income your way. VVS Finance, you can do this. This is Crystal Crew. We have a brand new high vibe APY. Crystal Vault for Tectonic. And it's actually Tectonic and Crow, 43.5% APY. Holy cow, everybody. And here's another big thing on their Twitter. We have exceeded 700 million in total supply. What a start to February. Tectonic's supply is over 700 million. Here's another big thing. I mean, just over and over again. Cronus has surpassed 2 billion in TVL. This is the top 9 chains by TVL. And guess what? Tectonic is right there. Over 100 projects live on mainnet beta, 344K unique addresses. 1 billion TVL on Cronus. All right, so Tectonic's up 77%. I mean, it doesn't even sound right to say that. I mean, that's crazy. If you were watching my stuff 4 or 5 days ago, or you were watching my stuff 10 days ago, and you just got intrigued, you're like, wow, what's this Tectonic? You're really happy today. Now, remember, all my information is for educational purposes only, but we're learning together. We're all friends here, so we're trying to share and get better at cryptocurrency. All right, what about this black diamond that was bought with crypto? I mean, this is a diamond that's worth all kinds of money, and cryptocurrency is buying it. Here we are on CNBC. A billion-year-old black diamond, billion years, holy cow, a billion-year-old diamond has been bought with cryptocurrency for how much? 4.3 million. Oh my gosh. The Enigma was named the world's largest cut diamond as of 2006. A billion-year-old diamond, which is thought to be the largest cut in the world, was bought using, you know, our favorite cryptocurrency. $4.3 million. That's a pretty good day at work. Hey, I bought something today. What did you buy? Oh, black diamond. It's a billion years old. How much did you pay? Oh, 4.3 million. Oh, okay, good deal. I mean, okay, but again, we got cryptocurrency right in there. The Enigma weighs 555.55. It was displayed in London between February 2nd and the 9th. The auction house confirmed the tweet on Wednesday that the black diamond has been bought using cryptocurrency. The buyer was unknown, but then entrepreneur Richard Hart tweeted that he won the diamond and he'll be renaming it the Hex.com diamond after the blockchain deposits their certificate business. So right there's the diamond, everybody. So this diamond's a billion years old. And again, if for buying it, it was bought with cryptocurrency, $4.3 million. This particular type, carbon adotis, typically ranges from around 2.6 to 3.8 billion years old. The Earth is 4.3 billion years old, so this diamond was almost around when the Earth started. So the big thing here is basically people buying billion-year-old black diamonds with, of course, cryptocurrency. Pretty awesome, everybody. So yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Drip Network, I'm going to link that at the end. If you're looking for 1% ROI on your investment for 365%, you may be interested in that. I have the video is about 24 minutes long explaining everything, so you'll see that at the end. All right, everybody, Tectonic, let's go back over for a price prediction. I still got to dig into their website a little bit. All right, back over here at the website. Frequently asked questions. What is Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithmic money market protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income and borrow funds to unlock liquidity in their assets. How does Tectonic work? Funds are deposited by users by providing liquidity to borrowers who may borrow at a variable interest rate. Tectonic smart contracts adjust these rates based on the market utilization rates. Tectonic protocol token with two cases, governance and staking, and earn more rewards. Now over here at the white pages, it says, in summary, Tectonic protocol aims to provide security and seamless cryptocurrency money market functionality, enabling multiple use cases for the users. Holders can generate additional return from interest by supplying assets to the protocol without having to actively manage their assets. That's pretty good. Traders can also borrow certain cryptocurrency to capitalize their short-term trading views or yield maximizing opportunities or farming. Users can obtain access to other cryptocurrencies for multi-purposes without having to liquidate their original asset. Here's one of the big things, the new listing on crypto.com. This is probably why the price has been jumping off the chart. Crypto.com is going to jump off the chart on Sunday when the Super Bowl comes. But take a look at this. Tectonic is listed on crypto.com app. Buy Tectonic at true cost and 20 other fiat currencies. Download the app today to start trading. So again, this is a big thing right here. Crypto.com, it's getting ready to jump off the charts. All right, looking at this, and it's always funny. Tectonic's always right by the Floki. But Tectonic is up 76% right now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 15, 158. What's our price prediction? I would say relax on it for a little bit because, I mean, I know it's going to go up a little bit, I think. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but it's up 77%. You may want to watch it for a little bit. Take a look at this. See that mountain, and it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. If I had a pick, I would say 5 zeros and a 16.8 instead of a 15.8. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But this token's up so much right this second that you just got to say, wow, 76%. Now take a look at Floki right there also. Floki's at 38% up. We wanted to go over to the top 10 here real quick. Luna basically is still traded at $52. Avalanche jumped up 35%. Everybody should be happy about that, $92. XRP is up 36% in the last 7 days. That's real big. BNB is up 11% in the last 7 days. Ethereum is making its comeback. It's up 14.82%. And Bitcoin is up 17% in the last 7 days, being traded at 43,000. All right, everybody. So Black Diamonds, billion years old, being bought with cryptocurrency. Fantastic right there. Tectonic is just jumping off the charts. 70. When I did the video last week, I was saying it's going up, up, up. It's been up 77% in the last 7 days. You got to be real happy about Tectonic. Super Bowl's coming up. Crypto Bowl. FTX is going to be giving out $1 million to $1.5 million in crypto. You're probably going to have to download the FTX app because they're going to basically put it into your app. They'll deposit the Bitcoin into your app. But how many events have you had that you can win a Bitcoin? I mean, this is the first time on Sunday. Fantastic on that. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. And then click over here to see our video about Drip Network, how you can make 1% every single day ROI for 365%. Pretty good thing. If you need a buddy, I can be your buddy. We're going to start doing airdrops to our team and stuff. We're just starting with this. We're bringing passive income with cryptocurrency to our channel. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in from Frank's Crypto Corner. You have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later on today. Tectonic, Super Bowl, Black Diamonds, all kinds of good stuff going on.